हेलो दोस्तों, मैं सरोज कुमार रांची झारखंड से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्पेलिंग मास्टर में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज मैं स्पेलिंग मास्टर में आपके लिए टंग ट्विस्टर लेके आया हूं। दोस्तों, अब प्रश्न उठता है कि टंग ट्विस्टर होता क्या है। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, टंग का अर्थ जीभ और ट्विस्ट का अर्थ होता है घुमाना, यानी कि टंग ट्विस्टर का अर्थ हुआ जीभ को घुमाने वाला। दोस्तों, हम लोग किसी खास विशेष क्षेत्र में जन्म लेते हैं और वहाँ की खास विशेष भाषा बोलते हैं। जैसे बिहार, यूपी, झारखंड, दिल्ली आदि के लोग हिंदी बोलते हैं। महाराष्ट्र में मराठी, पंजाब में पंजाबी, गुजरात में गुजराती, बंगाल में बंगाली, नेपाल में नेपाली और इंग्लैंड में अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है। चूँकि हम किसी खास विशेष क्षेत्र में जन्म लेते हैं और वहाँ की खास विशेष भाषा बोलते हैं, तो हमारी जीभ उस भाषा को बोलने की आदी हो जाती है और उसी के अनुसार मूव करती है। जैसे कि मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ तो मेरी जीभ उसी के अनुसार ट्विस्ट करती है। अब अगर मैं कोई दूसरी भाषा बोलना चाहता हूँ तो सबसे पहले तो मुझे उस भाषा के शब्द नहीं आते हैं, और अगर आते भी हैं तो मैं उस भाषा के शब्दों को सही से नहीं बोल पाता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी जीभ हिंदी बोलने की आदी हो चुकी होती है। तो दोस्तों, टंग ट्विस्टर हर भाषा में होता है और टंग ट्विस्टर का काम है कि वह आपकी जीभ को उस भाषा के अनुसार फ्रीली मूव कराए। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए इंग्लिश का A to Z टंग ट्विस्टर लाया हूँ। चलिए इसको बोलने का अभ्यास करते हैं। ऑथर एस आस्क्ड एस्ले टू ए कंपनी अर्नोल्ड टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉर द एकेडमी अवार्ड्स। बेटी bought a bit of butter, but the butter she bought was bitter, so she bought a bit of butter to make the bitter butter better. Caroline came to the Carmel convent for the convocation ceremony, driven by her curly-haired chauffeur. Knife and a fork, bottle and a cork, that is the way you spell New York. Chicken in the car and the car can go, that is the way you spell Chicago. How many cookies could a good cook cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Donald Duck, dressed like a dandy, went dancing down 10 Downing Street, disturbing the debris. A brilliant alien, an English egalitarian, was emancipated from the El Dorado after trying to embezzle and elope with her ethnic lover. Florence Foreign found a faggot and felt fatigue, for which she faced a febrifuge which finally turned out to be fictitious. The gallant gamester who had gangrene lived in a garret in the hilly terrain of Germany. Harold the haberdasher sold hackneyed handkerchiefs and studied hagiology hebdomadally. An Indian from India went into the island inn inquiring about the Indian interrogation department individually. Jack and Jill met Jerry and Jenny jointly at the jam session at Jamshedpur in the month of January. Kenneth and Kevin went to meet the Kiwi minister in a nightgown, knowing very well about the kill. Lucy and Lynette lived in Liverpool long ago, when Livingstone and Leonardo liked looking at the light and music show. Mary and Maggie managed to marry Marvin and Melvin at Manhattan on Monday morning at my mother's mansion. Neil and Nigel, who lived next door, never wanted to know that nothing was really something which nobody ever agreed to know of. Olive and Orlando went to Orleans on the outskirts of the USA on the 15th of October by the Oriental Express. Mr. Outside coaxed Mr. Inside to come inside. Then both Mr. Outside and Mr. Inside went outside to the riverside. Purple paper people, people paper purple, paper people purple. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickle paper cones. The Queen of Queensland quenched her thirst with a quart of Queen Mary's wine amongst the quagmire of quicksilver and quinine. Ripe white wheat, reaper's dip, white wheat right. Seashells on the seashore, but the seashells are not seashells, I am sure. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. Simon said that Shyam sold 7 seagulls for 77 shillings in Sonpur to Sharmila. Sean and Shane walked shoulder to shoulder with Sally and Sweta on a Sunday morning in St. Shamrock's garden for 72 seconds without batting an eyelid. A sailor went to see what he could see, and all he could see was only sea, and sea. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought. I thought if the thought I thought had been the thought. I thought I wouldn't have thought so much. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and say don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Understand? Venus and Venice are two names, one of a person and another of a place. Venus is very vainglorious and Venice is very wonderful and bright. If two which were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? When Winsome and Wilbur went to Winnipeg in a Volkswagen, they were welcomed by Warren and Walcott on a warm winter morning. Xenon, like xenophobia, needs no Xerox or xerography, especially at Xmas while playing the xylophone. Yolande said, "Your yacht and yak were sold to a Yankee yonder yesterday." The zebras of Zambia were photographed beside a Jane Alexei at 0 hour in the morning before a gillot. तो दोस्तों, अगर आप सही और फ्लुएंटली यानी कि बिना रुके इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश के इन टंग ट्विस्टर्स को बोलने का अभ्यास करना चाहिए। तो दोस्तों, मेरी टीचिंग पसंद आती है तो मेरे वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करें तथा मेरे चैनल को फॉलो, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू।